Hello, everybody. Andrea Tarowski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice with Epicure. I'm excited to show you guys our new catalog. So let me share my screen. We always get so excited when there's a new catalog out because it means new products. And as a seller, usually we can actually test the products before they come out. Now, I just joined a couple months ago, so I missed that mark, but I'm hoping for next time I'll be able to test some pretty amazing products. So I'm really excited. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and just simply show you guys the catalog online. I can show it to you by paper too, but I just thought that it would be easier for you to see the full catalog and the full picture if it's online. So can everybody see my screen okay here? So this is the new one, the Winter and Spring 2018. As always, the first few pages are just sort of talking about Epicure and these lovely ladies who just kind of started the whole thing. So quick, healthy eating, love, 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 nut-free, limited sugar, limited sodium, just healthy all around, non-GMO, which is so important. And did I mention nut-free? That's amazing, okay? So next page here, yeah, we just sort of talk about that again. The Good Food Real Results program. If you're looking to just eat healthier all around, lose weight, this is a fantastic program. If you have questions about that, let me know because I am part of the program also, just to help me prep meals, eat healthier every day. Eat healthier, good food that actually tastes good. There's a private Facebook group also, which is amazing. Love that. And then we are just talking about some of our specials here. Amazing. You save a ton of money here. Like this is normally $60. You save $10, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it adds up, right? So why not save some money? And then we talk about more of our collections as well. And we show you our amazing and popular kits. As a new customer, try at least one of these kits. You will be amazed. In each kit, it takes you under 20 minutes to cook them. You get a lot of different recipes, and they typically make about 40 plus meals per kit. So if you want to eat healthy but you don't know where to start, these kits are amazing because it has everything in there for you. So we're just sort of showing all of our kits that we do offer, some recipe ideas. I love this. Showing some of our products. We have tons of them. We have some new teas as well. Definitely look into those. Our protein powder, a lot healthier than the other ones out there. Trust me, because I have protein powder every day. Some more of our teas. I love our teas. Everybody loves our teas. I have all of them because they're that amazing, okay? And a lot healthier for you too. We have sauces. I mean, we have gravies, you know, sauces, gravies, same thing. We have mixes. We have some new ones. We have the broth as well. Amazing. You save so much space by having these. Instead of having to open one and then having to put it in your fridge, these you don't have to put in your fridge, and they're mixes. So just so much easier to make. And salad dressings. Who doesn't love a healthier salad dressing? I do. And our nutritional yeast sprinkles, very, very popular. Easy to add something healthy to your salads, vegetables, meats, anything really. And our sauces and mixes, we have tons. Chutneys, our red pepper is extremely popular. Make your own cheese. Oh my God, tastes so, so good. Finishing sauces, we have that as well. Dips, tons of dips. Sorry guys, there might be somebody at the door here. Nope, no one there, at least not that I can see. Tons of dips, salad dressings, tons of them. Again, we just have tons of everything, you guys. So take the time to look through the catalog. One pot meals, everybody loves those. Who doesn't? Tons and tons, okay? I've tried almost everything. If you have questions, let me know. And if you plan to get a lot of them, then it makes sense to get the package in the weekend dinner, because every package is a pack of 3, so you save a little bit of money there. So that's kind of nice. But lots of herbs and spices. Sorry if you guys can hear my dog. She's barking, obviously. Tons of herbs and spices. We have minced garlic and toasted onions, so you don't actually have to chop, chop, chop. Use this instead. Salt and pepper shakers. We have a maple pepper blend. People love that, and the maple sea salt blend is extremely popular. People love it. Look at all of this. Tons of stuff. Tons, and healthier for you. So feel free to have a look through the catalog. It will be worth it. You will want everything. And healthier desserts. Less sugar, less sodium. Again, you will be amazed. Lots of sweet dips for your yogurts, for your vegetables. And kitchen tools. My favorite, this teapot is amazing. You can have coffee in there too. It stays hot forever. I'm not kidding. We have a milk frother. We have a French press. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And lots of different tools. Silicone, amazing. Works so, so well. Easy to clean. Our cheese maker, you need this cheese maker. You will be making cheese every day. It's easy to make, takes about an hour. That's it, done. And it's pretty impressive too. Pots and pans, lots of stuff, you guys. More silicone cookware. Amazing, amazing. More collections. So if you don't know what you want, but you want a little bit of everything, browse our collections, because you can save a little bit of money that way, right? Easy, guys. So I will let you have a look through this. If you would like to host a party, let me know, because you get free stuff and half off items. I had somebody host a party with me the other day, and there was about over $300 in sales. So she was able to get, I think, $88 of free products and 2 half off items. Why not host a party? So if you guys have questions, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next episode.